And welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 6A and 6B simulation exam. So if you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So open the Excel 6A and 6B simulation exam, click the launch and go to the simulation exam into question and answers and so question number 1 and total question is 25. So question number 1 is select the range B4 to F12 and insert the line sparkling in the range G4 to G12. So type the range B4 to F12 and press enter. So select the range and insert the line sparkling in the range G4 to G12. Click the quick analysis and click the spark line. Click the line. And next is show the high point on the spark line. Go to the spark line tabs and go to the show groups and click the high point. Next is show the low point on the spark line and click the low point. Next is set the style of sparkline to dark red. Sparkline style is in 3. No dark or light found in the third column, third row. So set the style of the sparkline to dark red. Sparkline color is dark. Sorry. Set the style of the sparkline dark red. Go to the style group and click the more and dark red sparkline style is in 3. Dark red sparkling style is in 3. Click OK. So question number 1 is complete and we can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is using the data in the range A3 to F12, create the cluster column charts. So select the range A3 to F12 and press enter. So select the range and create the cluster column charts. So go to the insert tab and go to the chart group, click the recommended charts and click the all charts and create the cluster column chart. Create the cluster column chart and click OK. Next is move the column charts to new worksheet name is participants chart. Right clicks and click the mover charts and click the new sheet and type the participant CIPAT and chart and click OK. So move the charts. New worksheet is the participation charts and change the chart type to the stack column charts. So go to the chart design tabs and go to the type group, click the change chart types and click the stack column charts. The stack column chart and click OK. Next is change the chart style to the style 4. Change the chart style to the chart style 4. Go to the chart design tabs and go to the chart style group and apply the 4 chart style. Click the chart style 4 and click OK. Next is change the chart title to the participations. Click the chart title and type the participation. and deselect the chart. So question number 2 is complete, and we can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is switch the row and column layout of the column charts and notice the location are now identified in the legends. Switch the row and column layout of the column charts and notice the location are now identified in the legends. So go to the chart design tabs and click go to the data tabs. So data group and click the switch row and column. Next is switch the row and column layout of the column charts again and notice the year or once again identify in the legends and again the switch and row column. So question number 3 is a complete, and we can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is add a space and the word by departments to the end of the chart title and press escape button. Press spacebar and type the by department by the department and deselect the chart. Next is select the chart title and then display the font dialog box. So select the chart title and right clicks and click the font. Open the font dialog box and using the font dialog box change the font size 22 and then apply the small caps effects. Font size is type to 2022. Change the font size and then apply the small caps effect and click the small caps and click OK. So question number 4 is the complete, and we can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is add a primary vertical axis title using the participant as the title text. So go to the chart design tabs and go to the chart layout groups. Click the add a chart elements and click the axis title is primary vertical axis title. So type the participant and deselect the chart. Next is change the font size of the vertical value axis title to the 60 point. So select the chart title and vertical value axis title to the 16 point. Go to the home tabs and go to the font group and 16 point. Next is to the axis font apply the orange accent for dark 25% 8 column 5th row under the theme color to the vertical value axis title. Select the vertical value axis title and apply the orange accent for darker 25% 8th column 5th row to the axis font and apply the orange accent for is the go to the home tab and go to the font group, click the colors and orange accent for darker 25. Orange accent for darker orange accent for darker 25. Click OK. So question number 5 is complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is on the participant by department worksheet change the value in the cell E10 to 2025. Go to the participant by departments worksheets and select the cell is E10. So type the E10 and press enter and type the 2025 and press enter. Next is Display the participation chart sheets. Go to the participation chart sheets. So question number 6 is a complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is change the fill of the back wall of the charts to solid fill using the orange adjacent 4 darker 25%. Eighth column, fifth row with the transparency of 50%. Do not close the format wall pane. Double clicks in the charts area and change the fill of the back wall. So go to the format chart area and click the back wall of the charts to the solid fill using the arrange. Click the fill and click the solid fill using the orange adjacent for darker 50%. So click the color arrow and orange adjacent for darker 25%. Orange adjacent for darker 25%. Click OK. And next is transparency of 50%. Transparency of 50% and do not close the. Next is change the fill color of the side wall to orange adjacent for darker 25%. Eighth column, fifth row. Change the fill color of the side wall. So click the arrow and click the uh, change the fill color of side wall. Click the side wall and orange adjacent 4. Click the solid fill and go to the color arrow and orange adjacent for darker 25%. Orange adjacent for darker 25% and click OK. Next is change the fill color of the change the fill color of the chart floor to orange adjacent for darker 25%. Eighth column, fifth row under the theme color and close the format floor pane. Click the arrow and change the chart to the floor and click the floor and click a solid fill and orange adjacent for darker 25% color. Go to the color and orange adjacent for darker 25%. Orange adjacent for darker 25%. Close the format floor pane and click the close the format pane. So question number 7 is complete and we can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is display the participant by the department worksheet. Click the participant by department worksheets and by using the range A3 to F4 create the line with the marker chart. Fourth column, first row charts. So type the A3 to F4, press enter button. So select the range A3 to F4 and create the line with the marker charts. So go to the insert tabs and go to the recommended charts and click the all charts, click the line charts and the line with the marker charts. Line with the marker charts and click OK. So question number 8 is the complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is select the chart title in the formula bar, type the accounting debt participants and then press enter. So select the chart title and accounting, type the debt participant. and deselect the charts. Question number 9 is complete, and we can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is, format the vertical value axis, the minimum bound set to 75 and major unit set to 10, and then close the format point axis pane. Click the format the vertical value axis title. Click the vertical value axis title. And right click the format axis. So open the format axis. Open the format axis and minimum bound to 75. So minimum bound is 75 and press enter. And next is major unit is 10. Major unit is 10 and press enter and close the format axis pane. Click the close the format axis pane. So question number 10 is complete, and we can move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is, open the format plot area task pane and then change the fill color of the plot area to gold ASN2 darker 25%, 6 column 5th row, and do not close the task pane. Open the format plot area task and then change the fill color of the plot area. So change the format plot area fill color is gold ASN 2 darker 25%, and 6 column 5th row, do not close the task pane. So double click the format the plot area. So open the format plot area, and next is change the fill color of the plot area gold ASN2 darker 25%. So select the fill and change the fill color of the plot area. Click the solid fill and uh, of the plot area gold ASN2 25%. Go to the color and the gold ASN5 gold ASN2 darker 25%. Gold ASN2 darker gold ASN2 darker 25%. Click OK. Next is modify the marker option of the data series display bullet in the marker using the diamond shape, and change the size to 10 and close the format data series task pane. So modify the marker option of the data series and bullet the marker and using the diamond shape. So modify the marker options in the data series. So double click in the data series, open the format data series and modify the marker option of the data series and click the marker option of the data series and display the bullet and marker using the diamond shape. Click the marker option and check box in the bulletin and type is change the shape type is to the diamond and click the type arrow and click the diamond. Next is change the size to the 10. So change the size 5 to 10, press enter. Next is close the format data series task pane and click the close the data series. So question number 11 is complete, and we can move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is, add a linear trend line to the line charts. So click the chart element buttons and Click the chart element button and click the linear trend line. So go to the chart design tabs and sorry, go to the format tab, chart design, and click the add the chart elements and add the linear trend line. Click the trend line is to the linear. So question number 12 is complete. We can move to the question number 13. So question number 13 is on the insertive process worksheets, insert the smart art graphic with the basic process layout is the first graphic under the process. So incentive process worksheets and insert the smart art graphic with the basic process layout is the first graphic under the process. Go to the insert tabs and go to the illustration groups and click the smart arts. So open the smart art graphic and insert the smart art graphic with the basic process layout. Click the basic process and go to the process, and next is basic process layout, basics process, and click OK. Next is in the text pane type the register online in the first bullet and log volunteers hover in the second bullet and close the text box. So type the first bullet is register online, register online in the first bullet, and second bullet is log. So type the log volunteer volunteers hours and close the text pane and click the close the text pane. So question number 13 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. I will guarantee you are 95 plus grades your exam and complete course for 90 plus grades.